Howdy friends, welcome. Paul Crossdale here, and I have a very cool locking device. Um, there's the bitting on the key, which looks not spectacular, weak, if anything. There's the key way, which isn't awful either. You can actually get an 18 thousandths pick all the way from the bottom without too much hassles. But so you think it would be an easy pick, wouldn't you? Not the case with this lock. It's an absolute bear of a lock. It's a very tricky lock to pick. So, but I'm dying to share this one. I want to get this one picked on camera. I've only picked it a handful of times, and it takes some patience, which I don't have a lot of. So let's see if we can get it in a reasonable time. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 is the force binder. Only a 5-pin lock this. Okay. 2 is binding now. There we go. It doesn't really get a click though too. I'll click off 1 there. 3 is dropped back. Okay. 4. 5 is good. Okay, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5. I'm gonna switch out to the gem, piercing gem, 18 thousandths. See how we get on with this. The pins just love to drop back down. I think the tolerances in this lock, I think, are just amazingly good. You know, they push a key pin just a little too far, as you can hear there, and it just dumps the other pins straight away. Okay, I think we've got 3 set there. 1 is loose. 1 might even be set actually, is it? He is now. Not very light click off, I wouldn't bind them very hard, but it'd be set now. 3, I'll click off 3. It's so hard to tell. 5 is so low, so you just need to nudge it into place. If you push them too hard at all, it just drops those out. It's hard to tell if he's set or not. I think I'll click out 4 there. Okay, so lighten up on the tension again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do begin again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We'll click on 2 at a time. 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3. See, push 5 just a little too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what happens when you get to this stage and you start getting impatient while I do and start trying to rush, especially trying to get on video. I've only opened this lock a handful of times and it was never easy. I was click out 5, I think, at time. 1, 2, 3. You think you'd be able to rake it with that bitten as well. You can't. Believe me, I tried. It just doesn't happen. It just doesn't want to be raked open. Okay. 1. Okay, 1 feels completely loose. I don't think he's fully set up. Okay, maybe he is. Maybe. 2. Maybe that's not the right pick. Maybe the forest might reach better. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2. Another thing I'm afraid of is the forest is set 2 pins at a time. I'll be pushing on more than 1 pin at a time. This lock. 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try to reset it. Okay, let's try ludicrous tension again, see what happens. See, and it's actually, these turns are so good that the binding order doesn't change really no matter how much you crank up the tension. The only thing it does, at least it helps to prevent oversets at least. Okay, 3. Whoops, no, that's an overset. Sure, you'll get him to come back down, but or see if he comes back down himself. Oops. No. One, 2, what are we here? 8.5 minutes. And it doesn't feel like we're any closer to getting it open here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the start. I think 1 is okay. 2, 3, drop back down a time. 3. Yay. Insane. Counterclockwise for the laugh. Right, let's try 15,000 gem. Okay, let's see. Try just go 1 click at a time as well. 1 click off. Whatever pin happens to be binding. Okay, 1. Not binding. 2, not binding. 3, is he binding? felt like it was binding, but I'm not sure. I can't tell if I overset it or not. Here, just click that time. Oh yeah, just click off 5. We have the tension just right here. We're a bit too light with it. One, two, three, four. Overset again. Overset them again. Okay, crank the tension up then, Paul. See what happens. 1, 2, click. Nothing off. 2, 3, click. Okay. Maybe I'm getting somewhere now. Not 1, 2. Four, 3, 2, 1. And we're just being held up by something small, so I'll move up. Yes! Oh, I don't believe it. I know that was a long video, but I'm sorry about that, fellas. That's I'm really not sure if I can get that any quicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gut this really as fast as I can. There it is. It's picked open, and if I can manage to cut it quickly, which is certainly not guaranteed with me, then we'll have a look, or I'll upload the video, should I say. I'll open it up and see. Okay, lock it up. Have the key there. Let's lock it up so we can get the clip off. The clip actually goes up. There we go. Okay, where are the pins? Pins are there. Oh shit. I'm gonna use this black follower. I don't think we need a shim with this one, so there we go. Just leave that there for a second. There's all the key pins. There's that number 5. Look, it needs to be touched. You're pushing too hard, it just oversets everything. And the drill protection, that core, no counterman or anything like that to speak of. It's perfectly nice, smooth core. I think everything, the drill protection is coming out. Like I said, I really just think the tolerance is what makes this lock so good. Only a 5-pin lock, that's all. 5 measly pins, eh? And I tell you, it puts up a hell of a fight. I'm really not sure if I can do any better than that time. There's the 4th pin. You can all recognise them. I was very curious to see what was inside this the first time I opened it, so didn't hesitate, and My suspicions were confirmed. The Gege style pin. So this has to be a Gege lock. It's those with the springs in them and everything. Those big powerful springs don't make life any easier for you. There's two standard steel. Yeah, I'm going to get the springs in the way. 3. That's a big quad. One of those guys. Or a triple. It's a rated Gege spring. 4. Another one quad. Another big gigantic Vicar. Okay. Yeah. No. Oh, I see him. I see him. 1 sec. I'll get him now. I see him. There's the last 2 springs. Now, there's the last. Just chuck those springs up there. But it's super cool look. Oh, 16 minutes. I'm gonna have to redo this video. It's too long. It's too long. But there we go. That's what's inside this beast. All standards on the bottom, but I don't know if you can see that one actually in particular. Pin 5, pin 5, nice little bevel on it. I guess that's why he oversets everything else so easy. And with the purple springs, it still doesn't explain why it's such a tough lock to pick. I really just think it's just quality. It's just one of those locks where it all lines up. It's only a 5-pinner, but it's solid. It's just steel body, very well made. And again, there's the keyway. So Gege all the way. Yeah, and no counter milling, which you normally find in a Gege, but still one tough lock. Sorry about taking so long, fellas. Anyway, thanks for watching if you did, and I'll see you again next time.